To show 18 plus content on Telegram, the first thing that you need to do is to press on your Telegram application. From your Telegram application, go ahead and press on the settings or gear icon that you can see at the lower right. Afterwards, what you need to do is to scroll down until you see there the privacy and security options. What you need to do is to press on that as well. After pressing on that, you have to make sure that all the privacy is set to everybody, which means that you are no longer filtering any videos on your Telegram application or any videos or contents that is been labeled as 18 plus or restricted. Now, from your bio, you have to make sure that it is from everybody. That is just a simple way on how are you going to access those 18 plus contents, since for the 2025, there is no any disable filtering options. Just set up everything on everybody.